Walang kamot.
Ayun, what a great performance by Tribo Kapindanawan at syempre kasama na din yun ang ating mga animal ambassadors. Now folks, give it up for Tribo Kapindanawan Performing Arts. Palakpakan po natin sila guys. And by the way guys, mamaya na exactly 5:15 and may fire dance po sila sa Tribo Kapindanawan Bantawan area. Exactly 5:15 po yun. But guys, hindi po dito sa loob yung fire dance natin ha. For directions, just head on po dyan sa exit and follow the sounds of the beating drums dyan mamaya sa labas folks. Now folks, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating show guys, I need your energy. Ngayong hapon, I'm gonna say hap hap, you say hooray. Okay, hap hap! Hooray! One more more? Hep-hep! Energy pa naman, hep-hep! Ayun, and welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Pia Boy, and I'm your host for this afternoon po. That's some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we have coordination with the DNR, DOP, and DNI. Now, as a way of saying thank you for being with us on this prolific afternoon, from the show where you'll meet our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una po, sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to catch your animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry, can you finish it up or finish it later after the show? And lastly, to those who take photos or videos or animals, guys, bawal po ang camera. And the rest of them will keep down to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and to not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior at mukhang ready na po, ready na ating mga trainers guys. Now folks, the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes, awesome energy yung kanina guys. Okay, more energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors?
Yeah!
Energy is folks. Alright now folks, let's meet our 4 rappers. Una, giving you his will come fly at the tatawagan. Si Dominic, our Brownie. Ay na siya guys. Yep! There you go. Once again folks, that is Dominic, our Brownie type, or also known as the Balon. Now Brownie guys are the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice guys, kung nakikita niyo si Kuya Dexter dun kanina sa likod is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now folks, by the way, this afternoon, ipapakita ni Dominic ang kanyang hunting skill or ang kanyang hunting ability. Okay, ngayong hapon guys, pero wait lang. Bababalikin muna natin si Dominic dito sa center. Alright, at syempre, bago mga si Dominic, andyan si Kuya Jimar with a fresh pick and may konting slang style ng picture folks. Alright, at ayan na. Then, there you go. As you can see guys, Dominic soar or through and catch his food from Kuya Jimar. So ganyan po yung ginagawa nila sa wild guys. And once again folks, mapakita ulit yan ni Dominic. Alright now, boy, question muna. Ayan. Alright. Ayan ulit si Kuya Jimar. Nabulilo muna tayo dyan mga mama sir ha. Yeah. Pangalawang attempt. And there you go. Alright now folks, Brownie guys, practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing food from the other animals. So, kumukuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Folks, palakpakan po natin si Tommy. Siyempre, ating mga trainers, mga nag-assist, sila Kuya Cyril, Kuya Richie, at siyempre si Kuya Jimar dun sa center folks. Alright? Pero wait na, bago tayo mag-usip na. Mabalikin muna natin si Dominic doon kay Kuya Cyril. Okay, pauwi muna natin. Alright na boy. Punta ka muna kay Kuya Cyril Budong. Alright, once again folks, palakpakan po natin si Dominic ulit guys. And there you go. Alright now guys, let's proceed na to our next raptor. Atin ang tatawagin si Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. At ayan na siya guys. Now folks, we will show you how they hunt po. Now Kuya Richie dito is meron. Tapos natin ang Kuya Richie. Ayan. Toy lizard. Alright. Again, we will show you how they hunt po. Alright, now mga kiddos, baka may mga toy lizards kayo dyan na. Guys, pakikip lang muna dyan, baka yan yung kukunin ni Pagaspasan. There you go now folks. Once they're in flight, they will lock on and dive on their target. Talons first. And they are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous. And will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now guys, Philippine Serpent Eagle are endemic here in the Philippines. They can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Ayan, palakpakan muna natin si Pagaspas guys. And that's all muna para kay Pagaspas. Kuya Richie, thank you so much. Gusto parang stay ni Kuya Richie dito sa center. Bitin mo ba Kuya Richie? Alright, now guys, eto na. Let's proceed na sa ating third raptor. Ito folks, malaki ito guys. Alright, atin ang tatawagin. Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Alright, once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with Kuya Sire. At syempre, may fabric previewing yan. Alright, again folks, if you want to take some photos or videos po, pwede po guys. Basta ito, tatandaan nyo po lagi, paki-off lang po sa ating mga flash po. Kasi guys, nag-i-distract po yan sila. Okay? Alright, okay na ba? Okay, once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Halietus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanilang mga pagpag, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila guys. Folks, palapakan po natin sila guys. Alright, thank you so much. Okay na Lakas. That's all muna. Alright, now Kuya Saren, maraming salamat guys. Palakpakan po natin sila ulit. Ayan. Alright, going Lakas ha. Okay, now guys, moving on na tayo sa ating last raptor. Atin ang tatawagin ang cute na si Kali, our Eastern grass owl. Once again folks, that is Kali. Alright, now Kali, pagka muna kay Kuya Gmar and wow, there you go once again folks. That is Kali, our Eastern grass owl. Now guys, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds within flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pagpag kapag sila ay lumilipad. Alright now folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park, we have 4 species of raptors daily. Nabraminikay, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating Eastern grass owl. That's all for our raptors guys. Palakpakan po natin sila. Kuya Gmar, thank you so much Kuya Gmar. Again, thank you so much to the both of you. Alright now folks, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Moving on agad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Hello guys, they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine great hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here boy. There you go, syempre guys, hindi dyan magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ Woods. Ay, once again folks, that is Mr. Bill. and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belong to, therefore belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilit mata. Folks, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now folks, ngayong hapon, magpapakita-kita sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Now guys, at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. What's the word?
Fly!
Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and
Fly!
One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and
Fly!
ready na, mga ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Dexter, Kuya Michael. Ready na ang mga kalaw? Alright now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and fly! What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na catch ni lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni Ate Girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all tayo po. Sa buti kasi yung mga kala, may forever na. O, sa mga single ladies out there, naghahanap kayo ng forever na. So alam na natin, no, nandito lang ang
Kalaw!
wait lang, nandito lang ang
Kalaw!
pwede din sa mga neighbors, folks. Kaya sa second, folks, magpapakita-gilas ulit ang ating mga kalaw na, folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palagpagan po natin sila guys sa syempre, Kuya Michael and Kuya Dexter. Alright now folks, fun fact about hornbills, unlike most birds who hop from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place, or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. Ito guys, makulay po ito. At galing po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Barak.
Ala!
Alright, once again guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Jimar. Na Kuya Jimar? At siya mukhang may pa-free seats daw. Si Kuya Jimar na ngayong hapon ng mga kiddos natin na nasa harap. Lapitan natin si Kuya Jimar. Si Kuya Jimar guys, bibigyan kayo ng sunflower seeds. In short, ibibigyan natin si Barak. Alright ma'am, yung flash mo yung po. Okay, again guys, huwag mong kakalimutan na yung mga flashes po natin. Again folks, madi-distract po kasi yung mga animal ambassadors natin. Again folks, pakiturn off na po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-intindi guys. Okay. Alright. By the way, limit na po yan ha. So mga hindi mabigyan ng seats, you will be having your own time with our animal ambassadors pagkatapos sa show. So we have our animal petting. Picture taking tayo mamaya sa ating mga animal ambassadors. Okay. Alright, wait lang natin. Si Kuya Jimar. Oh, again, yung flash po natin, ma'am, hindi pa na off. Alright, okay, check po muna, ma'am. Okay, ayan. Alright, and there you go. Alright, once again, guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw, with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most other parrots, guys, Si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kandang-kandang. Alright, na Barak. So up, the end. Dyan ang zygodactyl feet. To the front, to the back. Allowing them to grab items so marching on your right, left, right, left, and bump, good point. Okay, at syempre dyan, high five muna tayo to Kuya Jmar. Oh, high five to Kuya Jmar up here. Perfect. Okay, one more, isa pa. And there you go. At syempre guys, alam niyo ba folks, napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barak guys. Tingnan niyo folks na. Okay, now Barak, ito na. Barak. Kiss to Kuya Jmar sa pisnida, sa chika. Kiss to Kuya Jmar. Wow! Sabi kasi nyo. Pero wait lang, mukhang nakita pa si Kuya Jmar. Mukhang nabitin pa si Kuya Jmar, guys. Okay na Barak, nabitin pa si Kuya Jmar mo. Na Barak? Kiss natin ulit si Kuya Jmar, no? Pero, boy, hindi na sa chika, hindi na sa pisngi. Dito tayo sa mga guys. Folks, saan gusto nyo? Wait lang, di ko masyado marinig eh. Masyado nakas yung music natin eh. Saan gusto nyo, guys? Oh, ano na, klaro-klaro Kuya Jmar. Alright, ito na Barak. Ito na, Barak. Kiss to Kuya Jmar sa lips. Siyempre folks, hindi rin magpapahuli yung host. Guys, nangingit ako eh. Kuya, kiss din ako. Pero sa'yo, wow. Joke lang. No folks, pero si Barak ay isang eco-warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Anyone? Okay, we have Sir. How about the others? Wala nagsesegregate, si Mom lang, kaya hindi na ako. Oh, dito, wala, hindi ka nagsesegregate? Ako po ngayong hapon, tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano magsegregate ng kanyang basura. So, ano nandyan, Kuya Jmar? Alright, ang ating basurahan guys, we have a non-binary gradable bin or hindi na bubulupot. And also we have a biodegradable bin or nabubulupot. Mukhang ngayon, mukhang na-check na ni Barak, mukhang gumagana naman ating dalawang basurahan, Kuya Jmar. Alright, now Kuya Jmar, at the count of 3, labang ka basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, now guys, ano muna kukunin ni Barak? A piece of mukhang plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy. Para kukunin ni Barak, it's another piece of plastic na naman which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura, boy. And this time, a piece of leaf dahon which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. And one piece of trash, boy. Leaf or dahon, saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see, guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre ay kaya din natin, folks, no? Sana ay tularan po natin si Barak. Okay, now guys, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil, si Barak magpapaalam na po siya ng mga mansyon, mga ates, mga buyas. Wave bye-bye to Barak Kapak. Wave bye-bye, everybody! Bye-bye! Wave bye-bye! Barak, nag-bye-bye na sila sa'yo. Okay, tara! Barak, wave bye-bye to everyone. Narayo rin ng bye-bye! Bye-bye lang! Wave bye-bye! Barak, ala! Barak, wave bye-bye! Hadla ka po, Gina! Ayaw! Kung isang bye-bye, last time isang bye-bye! Hala ka po, sabihin yan guys. He wants to stay in the show. Pero again folks, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. Okay, once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold dog with Kuya Jmar. Palakpakan din natin. Siyempre, si Kuya Jmar. Thank you so much. To the both of you. Okay, by the way folks, the blue and gold macaw, the fourth largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now guys, so our next animal ambassador, ito folks, bago-bago ito sa amin guys. Okay, atin natatawagin once again, our newly trained na si Beauty.
Hello!
And there you go, once again guys, that is Beauty, our sulfur crested cockatoo, with the scientific name of Cakatua galereta, and it can be found in Australia and New Guinea. No guys, sulfur crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur crested cockatoo spread their wings and lift their crest as part ng kanyang panliligaw. Sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur crested Kakatuan ngayong hapon guys, ipapakita yan ni Beauty. Alright, now Beauty girl, show them what you've got. Ang aga, isa pa. One more, spread your wings, eh? Alright now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, Kakatus loop in branches as a form of exercise and playing around to ease their boredom. Kuya Sai, ang gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y napapagod? Yeah, there you go, Mr. Behave you po. Kasi yan po yung ginagawa nila sa mga box. And kapag siya'y napapagod, ay mag-ikot yan sila. Oo naman, tama na Beauty, baka mahilo ka. Oh, alright, now guys, lastly, just like any other parents, Beauty also has a zygodactyl po, just like para. Ipapakita ulit yan ni Beauty. Now, Beauty, what is zygodactyl nga ba? And there you go, folks. That is zygodactyl in action po. To the front, to the back. Allowing them to grab ang items and kanyang hawakan, folks. Now, folks, that's all for Beauty muna. Palakpakan po natin. Siyempre, si Kuya Sari. Thank you so much to the both of you. By the way, guys, fun fact lang, paano nga ba malalaman ang gender ng isang mga Kakatus, no? Guys, tuturuan ko kayo, folks. Now, folks, pag red ang kulay ng kanilang mga mata, yan po yung female. Alright, pag pure black, yun po yung lalaki. Okay, once again, pag red, ano po yun? Okay, pag black, alright, yun lang po. Okay? Alright now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park, as you know, we have 4 species of cactus po. 1 is a sulfur crescent cockatoo, 2 is the umbrella crescent cockatoo, 3 is walang po na hayop, ha? Ayun talaga. Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Wilby? Bear. Bear. O, ito daw, last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon?
Unggoy!
Okay, joke lang folks. But you're correct guys. Ang ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat. The body of a very impressive tail, like a monkey. Direct your attention to your left side, and that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. Alright, once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat with a scientific name of Arcticus binturong, locally known as binturong guys. The folks, did you know that their tail can act as a whip, meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So you can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamayos po. Ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkey at ipapakita yan ni Teddy. Ngayong hapon po yan. Speaking of sa tail in action po, you're doing that in a while to get some roots hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. Alright now folks, may direct attention to right side naman. And that is Uno, the older brother of Sandy. Once again guys, that is Uno, our other Palawan bear cat. Because Palawan bear cat are endemic here in the Philippines po. Again guys, meaning ng endemic po, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita. Particularly sa Palawan. Hence their name, the Palawan bear cat. And guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up by using his 2 hind legs. At again folks, ipapakita yan ni Uno this afternoon. Alright, now Uno. Pwede lang sa Uno kasi medyo may pagka-shy type kasi siya guys, no? May pagkamahiyain. Kung ayaw mag-follow ni Uno kay Kuya Dexter, si Kuya Dexter na lang ating paakitin sa kahoy folks. Big joke lang. Alright, now Uno, are you ready na? Up, up, up. Yeah, there we go. That is 2 hind legs in action po. Thank you so much, Uno. Folks, fun fact about Palawan bear cat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. This po, ganyan po, amoy ng kanilang pupo guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. And guys, they are omnivores. So kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Dexter, ang binigyan mo kayo, pakita mo sa kanilang kuya. Pakita mo naman. So ano yan folks? Saging or banana, which is good. Once again, omnivore sila ha. may tanong ako ulit sa inyo guys. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivores. How about meat or karne? Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivores. So ito daw binagaling nyo ha. Okay, ito last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Ay, wala ka gawin. Nagsabi, fruit salad yung sagot ha? Sino nakakalamdas kumain?
Ulit na siya. Ulit na siya.
Ha? Wala? Okay. Come here, ate. Let's help the audience. Alright, come here. Alright. Shy type si ate. O, sige, iba na lang. Ito si kuya. Dito tayo. Sige na. Tutulungan natin sila. Let's help the audience. Come here. Huwag ka matakot. Hindi ako nangangagat, kuya. Alright. Wait lang, mag-mic tayo sa right there. Okay, sabi. Okay, now guys, now kuya, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
Frutibar. Frutibar.
Okay, tama si kuya guys. Kasi naubulan si kuya folks. Now guys, the correct answer is frugivore. Okay, sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yun?
Frugivore.
Hindi Fatimar ha? Okay, frugivore. Frugi meaning fruit. For or furus meaning eater po. Okay, once again, frugivore or frugivorous. Okay, now guys, perfect. At least back home na. Uno as well ng mga kuya. Okay, ready na sila guys. No, folks, bago tayo mag-proceed, syempre magpapasalamat muna ako sa inyo guys. No? Thank you so much. Atin ang tatawagan. Piolo. Palakpakan naman po guys. Ulit. Alright, once again. Piolo. Piolo.
Aray, aray.
Daniel. Sino itong isa? John Lloyd? Ano guys, pamilya. Mane. Basta kesa yung kita ko po yan. Kuya, kanina pa ba mga kuya? Kuya naman, ba't hindi pinagsabi sa akin mas maaga? Walang pakababay dyan, ha? Ba't ba kuya? Folks, that's what we can sabihin sa inyo. Once again, we are still working with wild animals now. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi ng ating mga trainers, folks, nawala na po sa kilo sa likuran at nakatakas daw po. At dito lang daw po sa ating harapan. Guys, maybe check under your seats na lang daw, Ben. Ano? Just relax lang.
Ay!
Relax lang po tayo mga mom. Okay?
Bangga!
So, ready to rin naman po yan. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Huwag kayong matakot. Sanay na po yan sa inyo. By the way, you can touch it naman. You can hold it. And it's already trained naman po yan guys, no? Sa mga bisita natin dyan, hindi pa nakapag-experience yung hawak ng ahas. Stay po na kayo dyan sa ating mga upuan kasi si Kuya Michael na ang mag-a-adjust. Siya na po ang lalapit sa inyo guys. Huwag kayong tumakbo, folks. Huwag kayong matakot. Already trained naman po yan.
Siya, tanawa.
Guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan ha. Pagkatapos ko, we'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors. No? So we have our animal petting, picture taking tayo sa ating mga animal ambassadors. Kasi po, 5:15 pa naman yung show natin. So, please picture taking muna kayo sa ating mga animal ambassadors. Kuya Michael. Relax lang nanay. Okay, okay lang po tayo.
Ito dito.
Be gentle lang po ha. Alam mo Kuya Michael, andyan si Aquaman, no?
Yan.
Alright, at nakapagligtas ng mundo, si Aquaman. Alright. Guys, konting paalala lang, pwede nyo pong hawakan ang ating ahas. Huwag lang po ang ating trainer.
Lago kami.
Alright, relax lang kayo. Okay.
Laman siya nag-anigri Gusto nag-anigri.
Relax lang kayo, ha? And thank you so much, Kuya Michael, for finding Piolo. Alright guys, before we Piolo, this afternoon, I need one adult guest po. Pipili tayo ng adult guys, pero folks, hindi ako yung pipili, ha? Si Kuya Michael, sumusunod lang talaga ako sa kanya kung sinong pipiliin niya. Kuya Michael, sino ang maswerteng bisita ngayong hapon?
Aku. Aku. Bangga aku.
Yes, Kuya Arvin. Yung tinuro mo, Kuya Arvin, si Ma'am daw na kulay red yung kanyang hair. Yes, naka-white ba yan? Alright, naka-cup. Alright, naka-cup na parang tenny. Okay, dito po tayo, Ma'am. Sige na. Ikaw yung napili ni Kuya Michael ngayong hapon. Alright, palakpakan po natin si Ma'am. Please cheer up natin, guys. Huwag kayong matakot, Ma'am. It's already trained naman po. Alright, ayan. Dito na tayo, Ma'am. Sayang yung opportunity natin. Marami kang likes na matatanggap dito. Okay, dito. Relax ka lang, Ma'am. Dito po tayo. Now guys, before we make Piolo, syempre kilalanin muna natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po? Alright, Ma'am Mary Ann from Mintal, guys. Dito lang po sa Davao City. Folks, palakpakan po natin si Ma'am, please. Ma'am Mary Ann, are you ready? Relax ko lang, Ma'am Mary Ann. Dito na tayo. Ito yung pasalubong ni Kuya Michael sa iyo, Ma'am. Alright, relax ka lang, Ma'am. Andiyan naman si Kuya Michael. Huwag kayong matakot, Ma'am. Sige naman, baka maabutan tayo ng ulan. Okay, dito tayo. Alright, sige na. Wala ka, Kuya Michael. Ayun, Ma'am. Sige na, mag-picture taking lang tayo. Hawakan mo lang. Huwag mo na okay, Ma'am. Kuya Michael. Dito na tayo. Sige na, Ma'am. Dito ka. Huwag kang gumalaw. Oh, relax lang. Box out, guys. Alright, ito na relax ka. O, diba? Matouch mo, matouch. Pwede kang pumikit. Diba? Alright, o sige. Folks, by the way, this is Piolo, our gentle giant, ang ating Burmese python, with the scientific name of Python vivicatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weight about nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat-bigat to. Si Piolo. Okay, now, Ma'am, sino kasama natin? Alright. Gusto magkasama, Ma'am? Hindi ko ba nakasama? Alright, wait lang na. Ayaw na? Sige, ayaw na lang. Okay na ba, Kuya Jim? Morning pa kasama ni Ma'am? Kasama? Kailangan ba natin kasama? Ha? Gusto magkasama, Ma'am? Ayaw mo si Aquaman. Mga Aquaman! Dito tayo, Aquaman! Dito tayo, Aquaman! Saglit na daw, samahan natin. Saglit lang to, Ma'am. Sige na. Mag-picture taking na po tayo sa sakit. Ayan. Ayan, dito tayo ako na. Ayan, dito tayo. Ano? Isa lang natin kasi medyo ano na. Makulimlim. Ayan guys, familiar niyo ba si Aquaman guys? Hindi yan gumagalaw dun sa Acacia folks. Alright, dito tayo sir. Okay, ayan, dito tayo ma'am. Ayan oh, may tagapagligtas ka oh. Alright, oh, ayan na. O, picture taking. Sino kasama natin? Guys, picture natin si ma'am at syempre si sir. Alright, don't worry, ma'am. Non-venomous naman po ang ating snakes. Ibig sabihin, hindi po nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ng buo. At tamang-tama po itong si Piolo ngayong hapon, ma'am. Joke lang. Okay na, picturean muna natin ng saglit, sayang yung time. Alright, ayan ma'am, smile. Alright, wait lang, yung ano, naka-live tayo ngayon.
Wait lang, wait.
Okay na ba? We should be good na ba? Okay, thank you so much. Sir, thank you so much, ma'am. You can say pag your seat po. Sir, Aquaman! Pati dito, sir, hindi ka rin gagalaw. Ikaw talaga. Hindi ka na tayong oras, sir. Okay, sige na. We have pardons pa, ha? Salamat kayo. Okay, you can say back to your seat. Palapakan po natin si sir, guys. Alright. But thank you so much. Sino po? Wala ba tayo mga kamay dyan? Wala pa naman po. Alright now folks, and that's all for our show. Ngayong hapon now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. And that is to protect, to preserve, and to educate people about these lovely animals. The moment you enter this facility, you are not just here to say something with a snake, Kuya Jimar with a cockatoo, Kuya Dexter with a balloon, Kuya Richie with a cactus para siyempre ating magulit na mascot na si Big Boy Crockett at ating with a Big Box at Kuya Cyril with a ala. Now folks, we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future ng mga buhay pareho. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanong. Alright, eto na. Okay guys, like I said kanina po, sa mga bisita natin na gustong magpa-picture sa ating mga animal ambassadors, lapitan na po natin ang ating mga trainers. Kasi just po, na-straight line na po sa kanila. Huwag tayo magtulakan ha, relax lang po tayo dyan. And then folks, yung mga plastics po natin dyan, pick up your trash, clean your surroundings, and throw it to the proper bin. Dagan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Sa mga bisita na gusto mabigay ng tip, nandiyan ang beauty box natin. Right at